Welcome, today in front of me Huawei now Y90 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the ringtone messages and notifications volume panel. You can mute it by this way, just hold and drag to the left side this volume panel. But by this way you will mute your device not only notifications but also ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only your notifications and messages, you should just unmute this volume panel. And after that tap to the notification tone and just to switch your currently notification tone just to none. And after that just go back here and now we can see that I have here the vibration only in notification sounds but we'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.